Good morning and greetings from the jungle. My name's Tony and I organised our 21-day tour around Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And for 11 days of our tour in Karnataka, I used a company called Cholan Tours, and a little bit of concern one day before we met our driver when I heard from Matan that our driver had changed. And within an hour I heard by WhatsApp from our driver called Jayana, and we've had a great time with Jayana. He's been fantastic, and I'm going to introduce you to the rest of the team who are going to tell you all the things that we like about Jai.
Jai is definitely the best driver we've ever experienced on our travels. He's always very punctual, he's full of knowledge and gives us really good advice on what the best sights to see and the order to do them in. He's incredibly polite and respectful, and he has made our trip truly enjoyable.
His car is always immaculate every single day. His driving is amazing considering the crazy roads and then the crazy drivers of India, and he's so helpful. He's always finds good coffee stops for us, and he's just been the best driver.
Travelling on a long trip where you're only 2 nights in each hotel can be quite stressful and tiring. It's lovely to see Jai's smiling, calm face in the mornings, and he always puts it at ease and provides us with water for all our journeys. As someone who needs regular toilet stops, he will stop the car whenever we need to in a safe place and make us feel comfortable to be able to go to the bathroom.
We love observing the life of India, and that includes just watching life go by on the roads, and that means taking lots of photos of cows, and Jai has helped us achieve that. So guys, what do I say for Jai? Thank you very much.
Well done.
Thank you, Jai.